How to fix Pi KYC verification not approved. I was actually stuck on my KYC verification for some weeks now, and I actually figured out a simple way on how to get it fixed, which I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Pi KYC verification not approved. So right here, as you can see, mine is actually approved. As you can see here on the screen, this is actually a screenshot of the approval page. So if you are actually seeing this on your device showing you that yours is not approved, this is simply what you can simply do. So there are actually 6 things that can actually stop your KYC from being approved, which I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. So looking right here on the screen, so the first thing that can actually stop you from passing your KYC verification is your name. And if the name on your Pi account is not the same or exact with that of the one on your ID card, this is what is going to happen. Your ID card is not going to be approved for KYC. Now that is going to be the reason why you might not be able to pass the KYC verification on your Pi account. So the second thing that can actually stop you from getting your KYC application not approved is, for instance, you submitted an ID and you selected a different ID. Now let's take, for instance, you selected driving license and you are submitting your government's ID. It is not actually going to approve that KYC because the ID you selected and the one you're actually submitting is not the same. So this is also what you need to consider. Now, if the photo on your ID is not very clear, that KYC application is also going to be disapproved by Pi. Now, also, if the photo on the ID is obviously not the same on the live video, so you need to make sure that the live video you actually submitted is the same as the photo on the ID you are going to actually submit. That is actually going to make your KYC application to be approved. Now, the next thing you need to actually consider as well is during your live video, you need to make sure that you are the only one on your live video. Now, if you have more than 1 people on your live video, that KYC application is also going to be disapproved by Pi. So if you've actually followed all this process, yet you submitted your KYC application and it was disapproved, this is simply what you can actually do. There's a link on this video I'm going to actually leave, which is actually going to direct you to this form. Now right here, if your KYC verification was actually disapproved, you can come right here on this form and fill this form. This is actually going to help you to solve the problem as well. So we've come to the very end of this video. If you really want a full video on how to do the KYC verification for your Pi account, then you need to actually comment that on the comment section. I'm going to make a full video on how to do KYC verification on Pi. Otherwise, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's nice to have you here. See you in the next one.